Hello and welcome to this module. In this module, we are going to talk about using Bayesian methods in predictive analytics. So let's get straight into it. In this module, we are going to talk about machine learning and Bayesian methods, Bayesian classifiers, Bayesian networks, predicting credit card default, and optimizing financial predictions. So now what is machine learning? Let's talk about it. So machine learning is a data analytics technique that teaches computers to do what comes naturally to humans, learn from experience. Machine learning algorithm uses the computational method to learn information directly from data without relying on predetermined equation as model. The algorithm adaptively improves their performance as the number of samples available for learning increases. Machine learning works with two main techniques, which is supervised learning and unsupervised learning, where supervised learning trains a model in known input and output data so that it can predict future outputs. In unsupervised learning, we don't know the output and we need to check whether it is correct or not. Or basically, I want to cluster the customers. So it's an unsupervised learning. I can cluster the customers based on the features, but I cannot say that the cluster is correct or not. Now, machine learning classifiers. Classification is a process for predicting the class of given data points. Classes are sometimes called targets or labels. For example, I want to predict whether my customer will convert or not based on various features like his salary, his spending score, and so on. Classification belongs to the category of supervised learning and where the input data is provided with some target label. There are many applications in classification in many domains, such as credit card approvals, medical diagnosis, and target marketing. Now, Bayesian method or Bayesian analysis is what we are going to use in this particular section for classification algorithm. It is a mathematical procedure that applies probabilities to statistical problems. It provides people the tools to update their beliefs in the evidence of new data. Now, what are Bayesian methods? It's an important part of Bayesian inference and is established of parameters and models. The models are mathematical formulation of the observed events. Parameters are the factors in the model affecting the observed data. For example, tossing a coin. Fairness of a coin may be defined as the parameter of coin, denoted by A, and the outcome of the event may be denoted as B. Now, what is the probability of 4 heads out of 9 tosses given by the fairness of a coin A? So that is probability of B when the condition is A. So that is how the Bayesian method works.